7 months before, I had created and uploaded a video where I am sharing the unboxing and review first impression of this keyboard, and this is HP k160 keyboard. So I'm really sorry for misunderstanding you in that video that this is a best keyboard according to its price range. Yes, according to its price range it is best one, but actually its quality is really bad. So don't purchase this keyboard. In this video I will share the 3 of the problem that I had faced by using this keyboard in the past 7 months. So first of all, let me share why I purchased this keyboard. The first reason is that my laptop is a budget friendly laptop, so I am a part-time blogger, so I want to write a lot of things on my laptop. So using my laptop's keyboard, as it is a budget friendly laptop, so the keyboard may be damaged due to a large amount of typing. That is the main reason why I purchased this keyboard. I think that it will solve all my problem, but actually it didn't. So this video is gonna be one of the video which will save your money by purchasing this keyboard. Let me share you why I am saying that this is a dump. There is 3 problems that I had faced, as I said earlier. The first problem is that some keys are really hard to type as compared to other. So while typing on the keyboard, seriously, it is really annoying. And the second problem that I am facing in this keyboard is that whenever I am typing on the keys, something like it will automatically type is equal to and it will continue as infinite. The third issue that I had faced on this keyboard is that you can see the backspace, this key, this area is not working now. From the past 2 months this area is not working. Sometime it will work and sometime it's not. I had applied for warranty. In the box I think they are providing 1 year warranty, so I just applied for the warranty. So these are the issues that I faced by using this keyboard. So I don't think it's a value of money. You don't need to purchase this. Save your money and purchase another keyboard. Like it will available on almost 1000 or 1500 rupees. So just purchase that. I think that HP k160 keyboard is created by HP due to the one reason that for removing the waste products from their production house. That may be true. That's all in this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the like button. And also if you have purchased the HP k160, then definitely comment your experience on this keyboard. So that's all in this video. Thanks.